my dear loving kids. How are you all? I just hope that you all are enjoying at your place and keeping yourself safe. And also you are taking your online classes very seriously. So children, we have done with our first chapter. Now in this video, I'm going to start with our new chapter, that is Parts of Computer. It is our lesson number 2. See children, this is your book plug-in for class 2 and it is from Green Earth Publications. Okay, so children, open page number 11. Here comes your new chapter, Parts of Computer. Now children, as our body, as a human body has different parts like eyes, nose, ears, mouth, hand. Okay, we have different parts in our body. Similarly, a computer also have many parts, different parts. Okay, like children, in our body we have different parts and these parts have different functions, like our eyes help us to see. Okay, our nose help us to smell. Similarly, a computer also has different parts. Okay, they have different functions. When they together combine, they become what? They become a computer system. Okay, children, when all the parts are combined together, they become what? Yes, they become computer system. Okay, so children, in this chapter, we will study about the functions of different parts of computer. Got it, children? Now, see children, a computer has many different parts, but there are 4 main parts. Okay, it has 4 main parts. What are they? Yes, they are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These 4 parts are very important. They are known as the main part of computer. Okay, rest, speaker, microphone, headphone, these are what? Printers, scanners, these are what? These are the additional parts of a computer. Okay, so the main parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So children, now let us study about them one by one. Okay, now children, here the first part is monitor. M-O-N-I, T-O-R, monitor. Now children, monitor is a device that displays words and pictures. It is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. Now children, monitor is nothing but it is just simply a computer screen. Whatever we type on the screen, okay, every picture, every movie, every song, we can watch it on the computer screen. Okay, that screen is known as the monitor. Everything is get displayed on the monitor, like your mobile phone. You can watch me on the screen, that is your monitor. Okay, so in terms of computer, that screen is known as what? Monitor. Okay, now it is also known as Visual Display Unit. Visual means you can see the things visually. Okay, you are able to see the things. Display means it is displaying you. You can see it. It is showing you. Okay, so that is why it is called Visual Display Unit, VDU. Okay, the full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. Okay, children. Now, come to the next page, page number 12. Second is given keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most important part of a computer, children. Okay, see children, if I ask you to write down something in your notebook, you would require what? You would require a pencil, okay, and a pen. So now if I ask you to write down something on a computer, what would you use? Would you write on it with a pencil or pen? No children, if you want to type letters or numbers on the computer, you would require a keyboard. Yes children, this is a keyboard. Look at the screen. Yes, this is a keyboard. This keyboard has many buttons. These buttons are called what? Yes, these buttons are called keys. Okay, now see children, in a keyboard there are different types of keys, like alphabet keys in which A to Z letters are written. Number keys is there in which numbers from 0 to 9 are written. Okay, so children, you can type letters or numbers with the help of keyboard. Okay, now next part of a computer is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now see children, mouse is also a very important part. Okay, if I want to point something on the screen, like there are many icons that is displayed on the screen. If I want to point them out, if I want to click on them, what would I require? I would require a pointing device. Yes children, mouse. So mouse is a pointing device. Okay, we can also draw pictures with the help of mouse. Okay, if I open MS Paint software, then you can draw pictures with the help of mouse. So mouse is a pointing device. Okay children, the next part is CPU. Now children, what is a CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Yes children, C stands for central, P stands for processing, and U stands for unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay, now children, as a human body, we have brain to think. Okay, to think on something. We can analyze the things, that how to do the things, when to do the things. The same way, computer has also a brain. Yes, that is called CPU. So CPU is known as the brain of computer. A CPU tells a computer what to do, how to do, okay, what instructions have been given, and how to display the answers, what answers should be displayed. Okay, everything is all processing is done by the CPU. Okay, now suppose if I am giving computer the work 3 plus 2. Okay, now see children, you are also calculating it. You have stored it in your mind. 3 plus 2, what is 3 plus 2? You know what is the answer. You have stored it in your mind. The same way computer, I have given it the data 3 plus 2. Okay, now what computer will do? It will take this instruction, it will take these two numbers and it will add it. Okay, and then it will give the result. So all this function is done by what? Yes, all these functions is done by the CPU. Okay, it will give you the result 5. So CPU is the brain of computer. Okay, it helps in processing the data. Okay, now let us study about the additional parts of the computer. Okay, now here is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Now children, printer is a device which helps us to take the output from the computer on the piece of paper. Okay, whatever we have typed or whatever we have drawn on a computer, if I want to take it on the piece of paper, then I can take help of printer. Taking out that data on a piece of paper is called print out. Okay children, now next device is what? Yes, speaker. Yes children, speaker is also an important device. Why? Because suppose if you lower down the volume of your phone, will you able to listen to me? See, I am speaking here, you can listen to my voice, but if you will just decrease the volume of your phone, will you be able to listen to me? No. So speaker, it means you have just lowered down the volume of the speaker. So what a speaker does, it makes you to listen the sounds which is stored in a computer. Okay, so speaker helps you to listen to the sounds that get stored into the computer. Okay, got it children? Now next comes headphone. Now headphones are what? We can wear them on our ears. Okay, it also helps us to listen to the voice but without disturbing others. Children, next device is the microphone. Microphone is a kind of a mic. Okay, now whatever I am saying, whatever my voice is, whatever I am speaking, that is all get stored into the computer. Okay, so a computer might, like suppose I'm speaking here, I'm taking the class, so the voice, whatever voice is there, my phone is capturing this voice with the help of microphone, and it is storing it in the computer. That is how the voice and the video is working together. Means whatever I am saying, you can be able to listen to it. If my mic is not working properly, so my voice does not get stored into the computer. Okay, so voice will not be there, only the video is there. If mic is not working properly, no voice is there. Okay, so it means whenever you want to record your voice, your mic should be proper, your microphone should work properly. Okay, so microphone, what it does, it records our voice into the computer system, into the computer. Got it, children? Now next part is UPS. What is the full form of UPS, children? Yes, uninterrupted power supply. You know, children, computer is an electronic device and it works with the help of electricity only. Okay, if the light has gone, your computer will get switched off. Okay, it will not work. Okay, so to overcome this situation, for a time being, we would require what? We would require a UPS. What it does, it keeps the computer working for some time. Whether the light has gone or not doesn't matter. It will just make your computer to switch on. Okay, so in that particular time you can save your data, or means you will get time to store your data or to save whatever you are doing in your computer. Okay, your computer will not just get switched off immediately. It will take time to get switched off. So it is a backup of electricity. Okay, what it does, it makes your computer work in when the electricity goes off. You got it, children? So these are the different parts we have studied about the computer, Okay, children? So now, children, what you have to do, you have to go through the chapter. You have to read the pages from 11 to 13. Okay, from 11 to 13 pages you have to read. Okay, here the parts of computers are written and their functions also. Okay, children, so just read thoroughly and learn the different parts of computer and also how they work. Okay, children, so this is now for today in this video. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.